squirt it now. So I'm getting everything set up so they can come quickly and get on their way. I guess it was on. Still on. Turned it the wrong way.
Don't look too bad.
I usually
Not of trucks anymore, so.
Okay, I just flushed the toilet twice. The line is clear from the house to the tank, and I only had 16 inches of solids, and the tank's 5 foot tall. And traditionally about maybe 10 inches from the top is where the leach bed goes. So nothing's clogged, we're all good. And we're done. He'll just pull his pipes in, and I believe I'm his second one of the day. He's going over to pump someone else, and then he'll head over to Ohio to dump his load. There you go, Tom.
All right. Well, thank you very
Thank
much.
you. Much appreciated.
Absolutely.
Call cousins. They'll take care of you.
Thank you. Have a good day,
You,
Nancy.
you too.
I guess I'll see you in 3 years.
For 3 years.
Sounds good.
Now we gotta fight the hose again. And there he goes, on to his next place. $350 for sewage every 3 years. I don't think that's bad at all. When my dad was a kid, they called the guys that came to clean the outhouses out the honeydew dippers. Of course, whenever the guys came to their house to clean out the outhouse, the kids all ran. So they, so the guys didn't know they were the kids. So I was talking to Tom, and his great-grandfather started cleaning out outhouses back in the day, and that's how they did. They dipped it out and threw it in the truck. Who knows where they dumped it. But at any rate, that's cleaned out, I'm glad. And that maintenance of doing it every 3 years, whether it needs it or not, is really the ticket. Because you don't want the solids to get so high that they plug the pipes to the leach bed. Or worse yet, plug your leach bed, because then you really do have a problem. So I just do it every 3 years, and that takes care of it. Boy, it's a hot one today. I'm glad I have to take the truck to get inspected. At least I'll have air conditioning. Last week I looked and I saw that I was out of date, almost out of date with my inspection, so I called and couldn't get in till today. So I'm only 2 days out. Well, my self-reliant peeps, today was one of those days. You know, sometimes problems occur because of of what you do. And, you know, I wasn't paying attention, so therefore I didn't know that I was almost out of compliance with my inspection on my car. So I made the appointment, was for today. Out of the blue, I get a call this morning that the septic guy was coming. So I took care of that. Then I did the laundry, and the dryer's broke. Now it's 30 years old. I've gotten my money's worth out of it. You know, that was something out of the blue. Nothing I did. It just happened that way. And so I'm putting my clothes out on the railing. In this heat, they'll dry real quick. They might even smell like, you know, when Mother hung them out on the line. At any rate, that's it for today. I'm tired. I got everything done. However, supper, it took 2 hours to get 2.5 hours to get the truck inspected. So I didn't take anything out of the freezer. So I'll go in and figure out what I can do. Always Rama. Thanks for watching. I appreciate every one of you.